only child alone and wild, a cabinet maker's son. His hands were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. He left his home and went his lone and solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. A quiet man of music, denied a simpler fate. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. He earned his love through discipline, a thundering velvet hand. His gentle means of sculpting souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. My brother's lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've chose and come to know so well. Thank you for the music and your stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you got tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am a living legacy to the leader of the band.
Kailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan. Paano niyang matatalikdan? Ngunit kahit na malimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan. Kailan may di mababayaan, hindi kita malilimutan. Kailan may di mababayaan.
Mapasasalamatan sa puso mong sa'kin naibigay. Ngayon lamang ako nagmahal ng tunay sa tanang aking buhay. Sapat na ba ang ako ay mangako? Mananatili ka dito sa aking puso. Paano kita mapasasalamatan? Sapat na bang mahalin lang kita magpakailan pa man? Ngayon lamang ako nagmahal ng tunay sa tanang aking manatili ka dito sa aking puso. Paano kita mapasasalamatan? Sapat na bang mahalin lang kita? Sapat na bang mahalin lang kita? Magpakailan pa man. Sapat na bang mahalin lang kita? Magpakailan